So good evening, my dear student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start a new chapter of science, that is food we eat. So I hope all of you eat food because we need food to survive. So today's chapter is basing upon that food we eat. So let's understand the functions of food. What are the important functions of food? Okay. Okay. So the first function of food is provide energy. Provide energy. We need energy for every work, that is for playing, for reading also we need energy, for doing various works we need energy. So that energy is provided by food. Now it also helps us for growth. You know, when you were born you were very small child, but now you are a big one. So it is possible because of food, because the food has enhanced your growth, so that there is a increase in your height, increase in your weight and other things. Okay, then food also increases our immunity. What is immunity? Immunity means ability to fight disease. Okay, so nowadays immunity is very essential. Okay, so nowadays immunity is very much essential. Okay. So the next function is to repair damaged body parts. Sometimes you fall, or you fall somewhere. So what happened? There is a scratch in your body part. So to repair the damaged body part, we need food. Okay. Next is for muscle build up, for new skin build up, everything we need food. These are the four basic function of food. Okay, note it down. So my dear children, now we will learn about nutrients. So give heading nutrients. So what are nutrients? The special substances present in food are called nutrients. Special substances of food. Special substances of food. So the special substances of food are called nutrients. So what are these nutrients? Nutrients are of 5 types. We will now discuss them in detail, but write the names. Nutrients are of 5 types. It include carbohydrate, fats, proteins, fats, proteins, vitamin, and minerals. So now we will discuss one by one it. So my dear children, now we will read the first nutrient, that is carbohydrate. So carbohydrate comes under the category of energy giving food. Energy giving food. There are categories in nutrient. There are three categories. So the first category is energy giving food, and carbohydrate comes under that. Okay. Why it is energy giving food? Because it provides quick energy. It provides quick energy. Means fast and fast. जल्दी से जल्दी हमें ये एनर्जी देता है. That is why it is called quick energy giving food. Okay, so there are various examples of carbohydrate, but I will tell you the important ones only, and that one you note down, which you will definitely get in your examination. So examples include cereal, or you may say cereal, such as your rice, chapati, bread, dosa, idli. Okay, and one more you remember, potato. Potato is a very good source of carbohydrate. It is a very good source of starch. You get starch from potato. You please remember this. You get starch. Starch is a carbohydrate, and potato are a very rich source of starch. Okay, and also your sweets, chocolates, fruits, they all are rich source of carbohydrate. Mango, banana. Okay, so fruits also contain sugar, so they are also source of carbohydrate. So carbohydrate are the energy giving food which provide us quick energy. Okay, note it down. So my dear children, now we will learn about fats. So fats are the second category of energy giving food. Fats are also one category of energy giving food. Fats also provide us energy. But there is some difference between carbohydrate and fats. So what is that difference? We are going to learn now. They provide us more energy than carbohydrate. That is a very important point. They provide more energy. More energy. So what provide more energy? Fats. They provide more energy than carbohydrate. Okay, they provide more energy than carbohydrate. That is a very important point. You will get that in exam. But it doesn't provide quick energy. Carbohydrates provide quick energy, but fat doesn't provide quick energy. Rather it is stored in our body. Stored. And when it is required, it is used. So we should not eat much fat. That one I will tell afterwards. But now we will read that fat helps us to keep us warm. Keep us warm. Okay. And the person who eat more fat uh, cause a disease. Okay. It is called as obesity. Means motapa. Okay, when you will eat more fat, because fat is not much required by our body, but we consume more fat, it is called as obesity, motapa. and this obesity will lead to further health problems in your future. So now we will learn about the examples of fat. Examples of fat. What are the examples of fat? There is a fat in the picture, but I will still write it. You can say oil. Oil contains lot of fat. Cheese, your cheese, butter, they all contain also fat. Cheese, butter, your peanuts are a good source of fat. Peanuts, also your fish, meat. Meat is a very good source of fat. Meat. Then your vegetable oils also, ghee. Ghee is a very good source of fat. So they all are good source of fats. Note it down. Written? Written? Hello? Hello? Sorry, I'm sorry. I hope you all have written what you have read. Now we will read a new category of nutrient, that is protein. And protein is a very important part of your diet because it is called body building food. It builds your body. Body building. Okay? Proteins are body building food. Okay. Now, why it is called bodybuilding fruit? Because it helps us to grow. Okay, it helps us to grow. Helps. These questions will come in the exam. So make a short note, my dear student. Okay, helps us to grow. And also, I have taught you the function of food, repair damaged cells. So this protein repair damage cells. रिपेयर डैमेज में दो सेल खराब हो गया है उसको रिपेयर करने में ये प्रोटीन हमें का यूज करता है. ये प्रोटीन का काम वो है. तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा जितना ज्यादा प्रोटीन लोगे उतना सेहत के लिए अच्छा है. और चिल्ड्रन के लिए ज्यादा प्रोटीन लेना डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि ये उनका ग्रोथ एज है. तो इसका एग्जांपल्स क्या क्या है देखो. एग्जांपल्स नोट इट डाउन. पल्सेस जितने भी दाल हैं दे आर ऑल प्रोटीन रिच. पल्सेस. और क्या है? फिश. फिश इज ऑल्सो ए वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. फिश. और क्या है? मिल्क. मिल्क इज ए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. ऑल शुड टेक मिल्क. देन also milk products and also eggs. If you are not taking meals, you eat eggs. Okay, you will get very good amount of protein. Cereals. Cereals are also a good example of protein and also carbohydrate. Okay, and meat also is a very good example of protein. So these are all about proteins. Let's move to the next category of in category of bodybuilding food, you are getting only proteins, nothing else. So there is only one bodybuilding food, that is proteins, which is very much important for children. And children are prescribed to take protein. Protein आप please खाइए because this is the age of your growth. Okay. So now we will move to the next part. That is our vitamins. Okay. So my dear children, vitamin comes under a new category. There are three categories of nutrients. I have already told you. Vitamin comes under the category of protective foods. First, we have read energy giving food. Next, we read about bodybuilding food. And the last category is protective foods. So vitamins is the first. In protective foods also there are two categories. So vitamin comes under protective foods. So what are these protective foods? Okay, let's learn something about protective food, that they are required in very small quantities. These vitamins, and also you will read about minerals, they are required in very much less quantity. You don't require it much, but you require it very importantly. ये बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हमारे बॉडी के लिए, लेकिन वो थोड़ा चाहिए, ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए. जैसे प्रोटीन यू नीड मच, कार्बोहाइड्रेट यू नीड मच, this one you require in a very little amount, but very very useful for your good health and proper growth of the body. So vitamins are of several kinds. Okay, so they include vitamin A, vitamin B complex. Now you read about B only, but there is B complex. You will read in higher classes. Vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. There are 6 types of vitamins which you have to remember. Okay, and also their examples. And also their examples like fruits, orange, lemon, they are good source of vitamin C. Citrus foods. So fruits. Then what? Milk. See, milk is very important source of vitamin. Then your chicken is also a very important source of vitamins. So your chicken, you all must be liking chicken, non-vegetarians. Egg, egg is a very good source of vitamin, also fish. So non-veg is very important for your life. You should take little bit non-veg. If you are vegetarian, it is all right, no problem. You will take fruits, vegetables, other things. Okay, so this is about vitamins. Now next protective food is mineral, the last protective food. Okay, the last protective food is mineral. So this is also one protective food. You write down, this is also one protective food. See, I have given mineral, calcium, iron, zinc, magnesium. These all are the minerals that we get from the food. You will read in higher classes. Now you will read about basics. So this is also required in very small quantity. This also you required in a very small quantity. So protective foods. What is happening to this? Protective foods. So these minerals in a body are, you write, iron, magnesium, calcium, iodine also you can add. So you write this: iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc. These all are the important minerals that our body needs. Okay, so what are the examples, my dear children, of minerals? Mineral examples, you see, mineral examples are vegetables. Vegetables are a very good source of minerals. If the non-vegetarian, then no problem. You take abundant vegetables. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा vegetable खाइए. You will get good amount of mineral in your body. Again, fruits are also very good source of mineral like iron, calcium. Okay, eggs, you get calcium mainly from eggs. Milk, you get egg, anda. You get calcium, good amount of calcium from the milk, doodh. Okay, and also for spinach is a very good for your bones. So eat spinach and drink milk. Your bones will be all right. They are good for your bones. They are good for your bones. And fruit apple is good for your blood. So this much I have written. We will go to the next topic, that is water and roughage. This is the last topic of today's chapter. Okay. So the last topic of today's class is water and roughage. We will read balanced diet in the next class. So, okay. Water and roughage. So, if you tell about water, I will write in blue color. Water is very important for our day-to-day life. It does not give us any nutrient. No nutrient is given by water. Write down. No nutrient. But it still has essential value. We cannot live without water. Water is very much essential in our day-to-day life. And also no energy. And no energy, but it helps in digestion. This one you have to write in green color. Helps in different process like digestion. Okay. Excretion, you will read this everything. What is digestion? What is excretion? We will read it. Just you write now. Excretion means removal of harmful materials from the body, and digestion means breakdown of food into smaller particles so that it can be absorbed by the body. We'll read it in detail. So all our foods contain water. So we should drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Minimum 8 glass, maximum 12. Minimum 8 glasses of water we should drink. So now water is over. Water is over. Now we will write about roughage. What is this roughage? This roughage is nothing but fibers. Now you will ask, what are fibers? Yes or no? It is not digested by our body. Non-digestible. No. Digestible. It is not digested by our body, but it helps us to remove undigested food from our body. Okay? Helps to remove undigested food from our body. Very essential. And example of roughage is cabbage, cabbage is a very good example of roughage. And your spinach is also a very good example of roughage. So my dear children, for today this much. We will meet in the next class with a new topic of this chapter, that is your balanced diet, which is very important, and you will get that question. Till then, read this chapter thoroughly. Any doubt, you please email to our email address. I want to tell you one thing. Any doubt in any of the chapter, you email to our email address, that is, I am writing over here, Mohanty Public School gmail.com. Any doubt from any topic of any subject, not that literature subject, but like your Hindi grammar, English, Odia grammar, or science, SST, maths, any doubt from any subject, you can directly ask us in our email address. Okay, and also follow our website, okay, in www.mohantypublicschool.simdiff.com. So for today this much. Thank you for your cooperation. Let's meet in the next class with a new topic of this chapter. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care. Like and subscribe.